Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Serum. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any impurities. Next, apply a gentle toner to help balance your skin's pH levels, preparing it for optimal absorption. Finally, make sure your skin is completely dry before moving on to the next step, as this ensures the serum can penetrate effectively. Now, let's talk about application. Dispense just 2 to 3 drops of the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Serum onto your fingertips. Gently pat the serum onto your entire face and neck using light, upward motions. Remember to avoid rubbing vigorously, as this can cause unnecessary irritation. A gentle touch ensures even distribution and better absorption into your skin. For best results, apply your Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Serum once daily, ideally in the morning. After the serum has fully absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration and create a protective barrier. It is crucial to always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, as vitamin C can increase sun sensitivity. Consistent use of Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Serum can lead to a brighter, more even skin tone over time. This powerful ingredient also supports your skin's natural collagen production, contributing to a firmer appearance. To maintain its potency, always store your serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. Enjoy your radiant skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.